This amazing Hillcrest R with media floor plan from First Texas Homes is featured in the community of villages at Creekwood in Frisco, Texas. This model home includes 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a 2-car garage with more than 3,984 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and an extended covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with tray ceilings, crown molding, and large beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining or special family occasions. Pass through the French doors into the private study with tray ceilings, crown molding, ceiling fan, and wainscoting, making this a perfect home office. Also, around the corner from the private study, you'll find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. The family room is where you'll find many of our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase with Juliet balcony, soaring ceilings, large beautiful windows, pre-wiring for surround sound, Savant home automation, and a floor-to-ceiling tile fireplace. The California kitchen features a massive center island with quartz marble countertops, 42-inch cabinets with upgraded upper cabinets featuring glass doors, upper and lower cabinet accent lighting, built-in stainless steel double oven with built-in microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with decorative backsplash, and the adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light. The private master suite features tray ceilings, crown molding, decorative windows, and a cozy reading area with large beautiful windows. The master bath features split vanities with makeup area, a deep relaxing freestanding tub, an extended walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosure and custom tile, and a spacious master closet. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with plenty of open space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with friends. The media room features a vaulted ceiling, a wet bar with cabinet storage, a large closet, and surround sound and projector wiring perfect for movie night. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, large closets, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. This Hillcrest model also includes a covered patio with outdoor speaker wiring, ceiling fans, and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Hillcrest R with media floor plan is now available to be built in the master planned community of the villages at Creekwood in Frisco, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Hillcrest R with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.